Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Trust Wallet to Dexscreener. First, open your Trust Wallet application on your mobile device. Make sure your wallet is funded with the cryptocurrency you intend to use for trading or analysis. Next, locate and tap on the D-App browser icon, usually found at the bottom of your Trust Wallet interface. This browser is your gateway to decentralized applications like Dexscreener. Once you are in the D-App browser, type Dexscreener. Come into the address bar at the top. After typing, press Enter or the Go button to load the Dexscreener website directly within your Trust Wallet's browser. Take a moment to explore the platform, familiarizing yourself with the layout, different trading pairs, and charting tools available before connecting. Now, to connect your wallet, find the Connect Wallet button on the Dexscreener website, typically located in the top right corner. Tap this button, and a list of wallet options will appear. Choose Wallet Connect or Trust Wallet from the presented choices. Your Trust Wallet application will then prompt you to approve the connection request, which you should confirm to proceed. With your wallet successfully connected, your Trust Wallet address should now be visible on the Dexscreener platform. This connection allows you to access advanced features, such as viewing your portfolio directly or initiating trades through integrated decentralized exchanges. Remember to always disconnect your wallet when you are finished using Dexscreener to maintain the highest level of security for your digital assets.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.